Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a wire mesh pattern in Autodesk Inventor software. This is basically a fan cover. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take here 2D sketch, select the XY plane, take the line command. From this center point, we are going to make straight line. Okay, escape, go to arc command, take 3-point arc, select this end point, make one arc here. Go to line command once again and make one joining line. Now escape, go to dimension. Here define this arc as 75 radius. Define this dimension as 200. Okay. Now here define this straight length as 75 and here define this total as 320. Okay. Now escape. Now here you can see it is not defined. Go to tangent constraint, select this line, select this arc, select this arc and select this line. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Now go to line command once again. Now we are going to make the joining profile here and here. Escape, go to dimension. Here define this as 12, define this as 15. Now escape. Okay. Now here go to fillet. Take a fillet radius of 4 and make a radius 4 here. Now change the radius to 3 mm and this corner will be 3 mm radius. Exit. Okay. Now this profile is complete. Now finish sketch and here we are going to sweep a diameter. So first go to plane, click on plane, select this endpoint and select this profile. Select this plane, go to create sketch. Here go to project geometry and project this point. Take the circle command and make here a circle of diameter 5. Finish sketch, take here sweep. The profile is selected and the path will be this. Okay. So it will cover all and press OK. Okay. Select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Go to home view. Now here we are going to make the other profiles. Go to origin and we will select the YZ plane. Go to create sketch. Here take the circle command. Make a circle here of diameter 18 mm. Sorry, this will be 180 mm. Okay. Now here go to dimension, select the center point and select this. Define the dimension as 78. Okay. Now here go to the horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. So this will be aligned. Finish sketch, take extrude. Here take extrude of 20 mm. Okay, so it will lie at mid plane. Press OK. Okay. Now here when I rotate this, so this will be the profile of the rib. Okay. Now rotate this. This will be the back side. Select this face. Go to create sketch. Take circle command or go to project geometry. Project this profile. Go to offset. Select this profile. Take offset of 20 mm inside. Okay. Finish sketch. Take extrude. Select inner profile. Take here 8 mm dimension and click on direction 2. So this will become a cut profile. Press OK. Okay. Now here go to fillet. Take a fillet radius here of 7 mm. At selection, select this edge. apply. Now change the radius to 5, select this inner edge and select this. Okay, press OK. Go to home view. Now here I want to make a pattern of this mesh profile. So go to circular pattern, select this profile. So it will select sweep 1, rotation axis, select this as rotation axis, take here count of 52. Okay, so it will show you a reminder when you take a large number of count. Press OK and press OK here. Okay, rotate the view. To make it more clear, I'll change the appearance. I've taken a blue color, so I'll take blue wall paint glossy, so it will be more visible here. Okay, now here we want to make a outer case, so we'll select the XY plane again, go to create sketch, go to circle command, we'll select the topmost height of this, and at center we will make a diag 10 mm. Now escape. Okay, now here we want a center point, go to circle line command, and here you will find a green point. You can just rotate this, and here you will find this green point. Okay, go to front view and make a straight line. Now escape. So this will be the center line. Select this line, make it construction. Now here go to circle command once again, go to make one circle here of dia 5 and another circle of dia 5. Escape. Here go to vertical constraint, select this point, select this point. Okay, so they are vertically aligned. Now go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe, go to sketch, here go to project geometry. Now here I want to project this circle. Okay, so this is the circle of center line. Okay, the rib which belongs to center line. Go to vertical constraint, select the center point of circle, and here select the center point of any of the circle. So they will be vertically aligned to this. Go to dimension, select the circle, select the center line, define 420 by 2. Similarly, select this circle and select the center line, define 620 by 2. Okay, now finish sketch. Now we have 3 profiles. Okay, first, second, and this is third. Go to revolve, select first profile, select the second, and select this third. Okay, go to axis and select this as axis of rotation. Okay, now here go to view, visual style, change it to shaded edges, so it will make the boundary profiles. Okay, you can see these are the joining profiles, and press OK. So this will be generated. Okay, now here go to 3D model. So this will be the final output of the wire mesh. This was a basic tutorial to how to construct a fan cover or a wire mesh pattern in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.